What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. We got to go over Baby Doge and the technical analysis. So let's get to it. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. So let's talk about Baby Doge. As you can see over here with Baby Doge, we just now came off of this selling. So we actually had some selling inside of Baby Doge happening. This is the 4-hour chart. But first, let's look at the 15M chart. So this is the short-term chart. The support line that I had set yesterday and the day before that actually got broken. So, yep, we just now broke that support, and that support is set at about 1230, somewhere around there. Well, really, it's 1220. So, yeah, we just now broke that support line, and we can see that we got rejected over here as well at the 1250 earlier today. So, this kind of confirms that Baby Doge is going to start to go down on a little bit of a downtrend today. And as you can see, the 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 60%. You can see we did have some buying, but that buying was short-lived, and now you can see that little area here. So you're starting to see more selling coming into Baby Doge. So expect to see Baby Doge to drop a little bit more as well. Now, also, what you want to watch out here for Baby Doge is our next support. If you watched my previous video, you'll see that I set this support here. So nothing much changed, and this video probably won't be too long. But as you can see over here, this support is about 1130. So that's where our support is. We're at 1196 right now. So expect Baby Doge to continue to go down a little bit more. You'll see 1130 happening pretty soon for Baby Doge. So that's what we're looking at here for the 15M chart. Now, also for the 4-hour chart, you can see Baby Doge is still struggling to, stay down here. So we're really, a lot of people are expecting Baby Doge to do a huge pump right now. But I'm expecting for Baby Doge to pull all the way back down to the 1130. So just wait for it. That's where our previous support was. So I don't think that we're going to have another pump until at least 1130. So just wait for it. Be patient, because if you're not, then you're really going to be upset when it doesn't hit that area. So anyways, let's look over here. So the first thing I want to talk about here with Baby Doge with the 4-hour chart now. So whenever you look at the 4-hour chart, you see it's a lot different, and you see on the oscillator is showing that there's a lot of selling volume. That's because there is a lot of selling volume. It's really hard for the whole crypto market to continue to grow. You see everything's down right now, even in the last 24 hours, like 1.7% for Bitcoin. Not too much, everything's down just a little bit, but it's still down ultimately. So you still have to take that into consideration. So anyways, as you can see here with this Baby Doge chart, Baby Doge is still struggling. So let's go ahead and look at the Bitcoin chart. So honestly, for Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin is looking a little bit more bullish than Baby Doge. And I know a lot of people don't want to hear that, but Bitcoin is very important because everything's following Bitcoin. BNB follows Bitcoin, Baby Doge follows BNB. So inevitably, Baby Doge follows Bitcoin. So notice how our lows are higher and higher. I mentioned this in my previous videos, so definitely check those out. But yeah, notice how the lows are higher and higher. Notice how we just now got off of this oversold area. You can see we're actually going back up here to the upside from the oversold area. So now you're going to start seeing buying coming in for Baby Doge, or I mean for Bitcoin. You're going to start seeing buying coming in. But before that buying happens, you're going to see selling happening first. So you're going to see it going back down here to the support. And I really like how this is looking because it's playing out just as we expected. So every time you see this overbought area, you're immediately seeing overselling happening afterwards. Same thing with overselling. Whenever you see overselling, you will immediately see buying coming afterwards. So just like with here, you see some overselling and then you see buying coming afterwards. Then you go back to here, you see some selling and then buying comes afterwards. Same here, overselling, overbuying coming afterwards. And the same back for all of these ones. So this is so significant because we just now got off of an overbought area. And then we went to an oversold area. But because we have the previous overbought area, our next purchasing is not going to be overbought. It's just going to be a normal purchasing area. So you can see it's starting to go on the upside here with the wave. It stopped right here, but then we're still going to continue to go up and up and up. It's not going to go all the way up here to where the overbought area was. It may just go halfway. So we could probably see a nice little rise in Bitcoin once we see a pullback down to that support. And if you're wondering where that support is, let's go over here and look at the 15M chart. So I pretty much have the support set down here. Let's take off this auto so we can scroll down there. That support is pretty much set at 22.4K. And the reason why I did it is because this very dim green area is supply and demand of more demand. There's more demand in this area, indicating that that is our support. So that's what I'm watching out here for Bitcoin. And until then, I'll let you all know exactly what's going on there. But yeah, it's definitely going to happen soon. I don't know when, but it will. And then we'll have a nice increase in our price. And that increase in our price could probably end up bringing Bitcoin back up here to 23.4K, possibly even all the way up here to 24.6K. But I don't know if it's going to be that much purchasing because that would be an overbought area. And as you can see, we just got off of an overbought area. So this next area is probably not going to be overbought. It's probably just going to be a little bit of buying. So let's move on from the technicals. I know a lot of people probably want to see some other stuff with Baby Doge. So you can see here we got a lot of new people in overnight. We got about 400 people over, actually to be exact, 411. So yesterday was 1,594,862, and today is 1,594,863. So that's a pretty good increase, and really it's 401 new holders today. So shout out to all the new holders out there. Definitely couldn't do none of this without you all. Big shout out to all of them. And as you can see here, 1 quadrillion burned for Baby Doge yesterday. That was $1.3 million. And actually, this is going to start slowing down, and they're going to actually eventually stop it. They mentioned it in their AMA that they're stopping this. So just wait for it. This is going to stop very soon. So remember, they did 4 quadrillion burns. Then they did 3, and now they're only doing 1 quadrillion. So it's going to stop very soon. So definitely prepare for that. And then also over here, we're trending with Baby Doge. And also, Baby Doge has 13.17K burned in the last 24 hours. That's 9.85 trillion Baby Doge. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. I actually made a longer video before this, but there's a whole thunderstorm outside and lightning, and my electricity went off. So yeah, right in the middle of the video. So yeah, I'm just going to do a shorter video. I can't do the whole thing again. But anyways, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.